My sideways dish, Bun Viet, a cold noodle salad.
So the bun in Bun Viet is Vietnamese for vermicelli. And vermicelli is Italian. And Missy's riffing on Poppy's Italian dish. Ha! That's some cosmic alignment here.
Rice noodles, crispy veggies, fresh herbs, spicy, sweet nuoc cham. And my absolute favorite, lemongrass pork. The first time I ordered bun in a restaurant, I was babysitting my niece. Hi, Sophie. She was at that age where noodles are a food group. I barely got a bite. Watching her, it was impossible not to fall in love with this dish.
Like most Asian cuisines, Vietnamese dishes are all about balancing sweet, salty, sour, and bitter with a big mouthful feeling of umami. Makes your taste buds dance.
This is a daikon, Japanese radish. It's crunchy, it's sweet, delicately refreshing. Nuoc cham. Everybody needs this in their fridge. It's the greatest sauce you've never had. Chilies, naturally high in vitamin C, if the C stands for crazy hot.
Seriously, this is gonna be your new go-to dipping sauce. And all these recipes are just waiting for you on our website.
Wow, that's got some kick. Vietnamese bun, an explosive blend of temperatures, textures, and flavors. And the pork, smoky and savory.
Since we got into the building, elevated, we put footprints on the ceiling. On 100, on 1,000, on 1,000,000. They be hating that original in a different mode, and they still it like a criminal. Ain't it typical? You ain't even gotta do that if you come through. You ain't got a lot to kick it if you want to.
Thai basil, intense anise aroma. A little goes a long way. just as good as that first time with Sophie.